In previous class, you learned the lesson King Bruce and the spider. This lesson you learned already. What is there in that previous class? You learned this out, right? Okay. Now we will continue that lesson only. Okay. First, I'll ask some questions. Who is the king in the country of Scotland? Yes, the king. Brucey is the king of Scotland. Who is the Scotland king? Scotland. Two countries they mentioned here, right? One is a Scotland, another one is a England. Okay. Another one is a England. These two countries they mentioned. In this country, who is the king of the Scotland? Yes, the Brucey. Robert Brucey. He is the king of this country. Yes, he tried many times to win the war. See, in England, king is there. No, this king tried to what? Attack this Scotland, and he wanted to get that Scotland from the Brucey, right? He tried many times. Already you know how many times he tried? Yes, 6 times, right? First time also he lost. Brucey lost. Second time also he lost. Third time also he lost. Fourth, fifth, and sixth time. What? England king attacked to the whom? The king Robert Brucey. The England king attacked to this king. Okay, where they did the battle or war? In the battlefield. Imagine this is a battlefield. This king attacked to this country. He tried to get from the Robert Brucey. But this all 6 times he lost everything. He lost. Finally, what he did? Yes, he thought it is not possible to own the war from the England because this England had a large army and different many types of the weapons from the England country. But Scotland means that Robert Brucey is there, no? King, this king had a small army, not that much of facility in this country. So he lost everything. Uh, 6 times they did, right? But also he lost everything from the England king. Finally, means after sixth war, he decided. Who decided here? Robert Brucey decided to escape from the place. Means he want to hide somewhere. He want to protect. He want to save his life from the war because he lost 6 times also from the England. So he decided to hide somewhere, ran away from there, and he wants to hide somewhere. So he did like this time. So next, what happened? He hide in a forest, cave in the forest. Where did he hide? Where did he hide? Robert Brucey? Yes, he hide in a cave. Cave. Cave means that is one of the place, right? In the forest. You know already, like lion, all forest animals are live in like this type of their homes, right? This is the home of the forest animals, like this type. See, same. This is also we are calling cave. Lion lives in den. We are calling that name is a den. But like this type of cave, this Robert Brucey hide in this cave in the forest because to he got that much of afraid of this one because he lost everything in 6 times. So he hide there. Then what happened? Let's see. Okay, page number 23. I'll start the next passage. Okay. One rainy day, King Brucey lay on a pile of straw in the cave. He felt very tired and sick. He thought, I do not want to try again. All is lost. I repeat once again. Listen carefully. One rainy day, King Brucey lay on a pile of straw in the cave. He felt very tired and sick. He thought, I do not want to try again. All is lost. See, what is the message here? See, one rainy day. Already after sixth war, he went to cave to hide, right? He went to cave, run and hide in the cave. In the rainy day, one rainy day, he is there in the cave now. Who is there in the cave? Yes, Robert Brucey. He is in the cave. One day, the King Brucey lay on a pile of straw. Pile means one of the group. Pile of straw. Straw means what? You are using straw to drink juice and all. That straw? No, not that straw in here. In this lesson, straw means that is a stem of the grain plants. You know that stem plant. You know this part is a root, right? This is called stem, right? This part is called stem. If we cut this plant, these parts will grow. It is left, right? This part will left. This is a stem. What they are telling you, stem of the grain plants that have been cut and dried. Say, for example, in what field, rice weeds are there, no? Plants are there. No? If we cut, these parts will remain, right? Like this, these plants parts will remain. That is already dried. Like that, dried parts are there. Pail of straw inside the cave. He lays there only. He lies there only and he felt very tired because he lost everything. And he lies there on the pail of straw, many pail of straw. If we cut this, half of part is there, no? This is a straws, okay? The king lays on the pail of straw and he felt very tired. He tired and sick. He is not feeling good. He felt tired and sick. He thought, I do not want to try again. How many times he did that one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times he did that war, right? But also he lost everything. So, I am not at all try again. He is thinking like that. I do not want to try again. All these times he lost everything, all 6th time. So, he felt like that. I am not at all do again. As he lay thinking, he saw a spider spinning her web in the cave. In the previous class, I said, right? You know the web. See, this is the web. Who will make that web? Do you know? This is the web. See, One part in first page only they showed to create web. Who will create that web? Yes, that is a spider. Spider will create that web, right? How it will create? It is a very thin and thin layers will come, right? It will prepare like that. When he felt and lays on the pail of straw, that time he saw a spider in the cave. In like this type. See if it is a web. Spider is there here. It is here. It tried to what? Do the web here. Okay. That he saw a thinking. He saw a spider spinning her web in the cave. Inside the cave only, it is spinning one web. Who's spinning here? Spider. Who's spinning here? Spider, right? Like this type, it is spinning her web. He watched her as she worked hard with great care. You also as the same, right? If you want to do any work, you are taking care of that. You are doing very carefully that work, right? If you get any mistake or disturbance, you can't do the proper. So you want to take care about that. So that type only, this spider spinning this web carefully. See, he watched her as she worked hard with a great care. That King Robert Bruce is there, no? He is there only, here only, inside the cave, and he slept on the, he lay down on the pail of straw, and he watched this spider work. She is doing? She is spinning her web very carefully. He watching that one. Then she was trying to spin her thin thread from one end to end of the cave. See, while this spider creating this web, it will take time, right? She tried this. She means the spider. Okay. She tried to create this. It is a thin thread. It is not more than that. You know that everyone can see in your home, right? Web is there. It is a very thin thread from one end of the cave to other. While it is creating this web, she is trying to one end to another side. It wants to what? Create a one ends to another one side. She kept falling down. She kept one time okay, second time okay, third time okay, fourth time okay. Then like this step. While creating that web, spinning that web, she falling down. She kept falling down. You know that down is opposite word. Already you learned in previous class, right? Down. Up, down. You learned this all. And thin also. You learned in previous class. Thin, thick. Right? It's all opposite words you learned in previous class only. See, while creating this web one end to another end in the cave, she kept falling down. She kept falling down. Spider kept falling down. How many times? Many times. See, then how many times she kept falling down? The thread was thin and short. Thin and short. Thin already you know the opposite of thick, right? And short. It's opposite long. See, one end to another one end, it is a long distance, right? So she tried to spin the web with the thin thread, one end to another end of the cave. In that time, she falling down. She kept falling down. One time, two times, three times, like that. Many times she falling down. The thread was thin and short, but she kept trying. But also she is trying. One time she falling down, second time falling down, third time. Many times she falling down. But also she is not at all quit her work. Did she quit? No. Again and again she tried. Who is she here? Spider, right? The spider. She kept trying again and again. King Brucey continued the number of times she tried and failed. She counted already. See, the Brucey is laying here, right? He is counting how many times she is falling down from the web. One time, two times, three times, fourth times, fifth times, sixth times. He counted all these. See, the King Brucey counted the number of times she tried and failed. All six times she did. She fallen down here, right? Again she went there and she started to create the web. But also she is fallen down. Many times she kept falling. But also she is trying till to end of the web. See, but also sixth time. See, she failed many times. Sixth times. How many times she failed? Yes, she is also sixth times. How many times she tried? She tried sixth times, right? Sixth times also she failed. How sad. He realized there only. See, I also did as a same. How many times he did war here with the England team? Six times, right? Six times he did the war, but also he lost everything. He lost everything. As the same, this spider also trying to do this web sixth times, but also she what trying to do that, but also she is falling, right? Sixth times she fall down. How sad it is. He said, this person, the king is watching this work, right? Her work. He said, now you can never do it. He said like that. He is discouraged to her. You can never do it. He said to spider. You poor thing, said King Brucey aloud. He said loudly. You can never do it. You poor thing, said the King Brucey. See, rich, poor. Its opposite, rich. Rich. Its opposite, rich. Who said that? You can't do this well. Who said that? Yes, the King Brucey said to the spider. Then what happened? The spider did not give up. What also it is not at all. See his words. He said it's not possible to do. You are very poor here. You can't do this. How many times she fall down? Yes, sixth times, right? Sixth times also she fallen down. But also she tried again and again. She is not at all give up. The spider did not give up. She succeeded the seventh time. This time she was able to spin her thread to the other side of the cave. She tried many times. How many times she tried? Sixth times, right? But also she fallen down. Then, but also she is not at all give up. She succeeded. She succeeded. But what he did? He got failure from the war, right? She also failed in this spinning the web. How many times? Sixth times. But finally, means seventh time, this what spinning this web is completed. She succeeded the seventh time. This time she was able to spin her thread to the other side of the cave. She tried here to here, other side, here to here. Many times, sixth times she got failure and she fell down. And seventh time she did that. She did it. And she was able to spin her thread to the other side of the cave. Then what happened? The King Brucey was surprised. The King Brucey was surprised. Wow! Finally, she did her work, right? She did her work. So now finally he is telling like that. Wow! He got that much of surprise because she completed her work, right? Did she quit her work? Did she give up? No, right? So she completed her work. Finally, she did that spin that thread one end to the another other end. See this end to this end. She did that. So finally, he was surprised. See here they gave one question box means the surprise box. The baby of spider. You know duck young one. What we are calling duck's young one, duckling, right? It is also very easy to keep in your mind. A baby spider is called a spiderling. See here they give. Okay. Okay, next. Here one question box is there. How many times did the spider try to spin her web? As the same for about Lucy, right? She tried sixth time. In sixth time she got failure and the seventh time she won that. She did that, right? Okay, next. Come to next page. After watching that her work, he cried. After watching her work, means this spider work, this King Brucey is there, no? He cried. He cried. If a little spider can, you can do it. A little spider, that is it very big? No, it is a very small. It is a little one. The little spider, like you, can do it. I too can. See, this little one did this one. How it not possible to me? Yeah, that question came to his mind now. I will fight the war a seventh time and I will win, cried King Brucey. He cried, if we are lost in the game, we will start crying, right? She got the prize, he got the prize, but I didn't got anything. We will start crying, right? Like that, this Brucey also did as the same. When she completed her spinning work, finally she succeeded, right? After watching her work, he started crying. He started crying and what he is telling? A little spider like you can do it. I too can. I will fight the war a seventh time and I will win, cried King Brucey. Sixth time he did, but also he lost everything, right? After watching her work, sixth time she lost, but seventh time she did that. So he decided, this King Brucey decided to do the war again, means seventh time. Okay, I'll read next. The King Brucey came out of his hiding place. Where did he hide? Where did he hide? Yes, he hide in the cave, right? He wants to come out of that place. The King Brucey came out of his hiding place. Hiding place. He gathered all his soldiers and marched to the battlefield. He fought the king of England one more time. This time he won the war. The king Brucey learned a lesson from the little spider. Try, try, try again. You will win. Okay, I'll read again. King Brucey came out of his hiding place. Where did he hide? Yes, he hid in the inside the cave in the forest, right? After watching the spider work, he inspired from her. He inspired from her and he want to do again. He want to do again. So then he come out of his hiding place. Then he gathered all his soldiers. See, when before going inside the cave, all soldiers are went somewhere, right? After he failed from this war, he went to inside the cave. After coming out of the cave, he gathered. Gathered means he calling all the people. Means brought. He brought all the people, soldiers, to near the one place. Means that is a what? Battlefield. Okay, see here they are telling he gathered all his soldiers and marched to the battlefield. March means walk. They walked to the battlefield. He fought the king of England one more time. Again, say sixth times over, then seven times he tried. Seventh times he tried to the war with the England king. Seventh, he fought the king of England one more time. This time he won the war. Who won the war here? In this time, all sixth time England king only won this war. But seventh time that King Robert King Brucey is there, no? That king only won the war. This time he won the war. The King Brucey learnt a lesson. What he learnt? What he learned? Who is an inspired person here? Yes, that is a small spider, right? Where did he inspire? Inside the cave. Yes, inside the cave. King Brucey learned a lesson from the little spider. Try, try, try again. You will win. Right? No? Try again until you succeed. Okay? Will you do like this step? If you are started learning these spellings and question and answers, if you are not at all get answer means, are you closing your books? Keep it in on one side? No. You should not stop your trying. You must try again until you succeed. Okay? This is one of the good story for you. Okay? Okay, children, if you have any doubt in this topic, you can ask in the evening class. I will clear to you. Okay? Thank you, children. Thank you so much.